This is a hypnotic track and therefore should not be used while driving or operating machinery. The information in this track is for entertainment purposes only and is not intended to diagnose or treat. Make yourself comfortable. Adjust anything that needs adjusting. Close your eyes and prepare to relax. Take a deep breath in. Hold it and let it out. Take one more deep breath in. Hold it and let it out slowly. One more time. Deep breath in. Hold it a little longer. Exhale a little slower. And as you do, let all the tension in your body go. Releasing each and every muscle. And continue breathing deeply. I want you to focus on the little muscles around your eyes. I want you to allow them to soften, relaxing. Your eyelids, the little muscles in the back, and all the small muscles around your eyes, allowing them to go limp and soft. And allow that feeling to spread to your forehead, softening your forehead, your scalp, and letting that travel down into your jaw. Give your jaw a little wiggle and let all the tension go. Feeling your lips and your cheeks soften and loosen. Move that relaxation now down into your neck and allow that to travel even further down your shoulders into your arms, relaxing each and every muscle group. Your biceps, your triceps, your forearms, and your hands. Each muscle group softening, relaxing, and becoming even heavier as you drift into the state of relaxation. Now you can make this feeling happen in your chest and in your back, feeling it warm and soft, spreading through your torso down into your belly, loosening up your hips, your thighs, all the way down your legs and into your feet. Feeling that wonderful heavy sensation, that wonderful feeling that your body is sinking into the bed. Your mind knowing that you don't have anything to worry about right now. It feels so good to just focus on relaxing. And just like you relax your body, you can relax your mind. Your mind can go soft and limp and gooey, feeling warm and wonderful. Take another breath in as you exhale out, release any remaining tension that might be hiding in your body. Letting it all go. I want you to imagine a whiteboard in front of you. Clean, shiny, bright white, on a wall in front of you. And I'm going to count from 10 down to 1. And with each number, I want you to see yourself writing each number on the board and then erasing it. And with each and every number, you are going to become even more relaxed. Every number you write will make you feel more wonderful. Every number you erase will make you feel even more relaxed. So grab the pen and write the number 10. And erase deeper, even deeper now. 9. Feeling so good. And erasing it and going even deeper. 8. Feeling yourself settle in, getting comfortable, erasing it and going deeper into relaxation. 7. Becoming curious how good you can feel, erasing it and feeling even more relaxed. 6. Looking forward to the next numbers already, knowing that you can feel better and better, erasing it and going deeper into relaxation. 5. Letting your mind soften, erasing it and going even deeper into relaxation. 4. Writing the number, feeling how good it feels in your mind and in your body to be so relaxed, erasing it and relaxing twice as much. 3. Writing it again and erasing it again, all the way down. Deep relaxation. 2. That's right. And 1. Fully relaxed now. Allowing your mind to wander. It can go think of other things. Your subconscious mind will hear me, and I will speak directly to your subconscious mind on matters of importance, things that are important to you. And let your mind just dreamily drift, swishing and swaying along to a different thought as I continue to speak to your subconscious mind. You have now become so deeply relaxed, so deeply asleep, that your mind has become so sensitive, so receptive to what I say, that everything I put into your mind will sink deeply into the subconscious part of your mind and will cause such a deep and lasting impression there that nothing will eradicate it. Consequently, these things that I put into your unconscious mind will begin to exercise a greater and greater influence over the way you think, over the way you feel, and over the way you behave. And because these things will remain firmly embedded in the unconscious part of your mind after you have woken or when you are no longer listening to me, they will continue to exercise the same great influence over your thoughts, your feelings, and your actions, just as strongly, just as surely, just as powerfully. No matter if you're at home, or at work, or somewhere else entirely. Now, you are so very deeply asleep that everything I tell you is going to happen to you for your own good will happen exactly as I tell you, and every feeling that I tell you that you will experience, you will experience exactly as I tell you. And these things will continue to happen to you every day, just as strongly, just as surely, just as powerfully, no matter where you are. You are going to feel physically stronger and fitter in every way. You will feel more alert, more wide awake, more energetic. You become much less easily tired, much less easily fatigued, much less easily discouraged, much less easily depressed. Every day you become so deeply interested in whatever you are doing that your mind will become completely distracted away from yourself. You will no longer think nearly so much about yourself. You will no longer dwell nearly so much upon yourself and your difficulties. And you will become much less conscious of yourself, much less preoccupied with yourself and with your own feelings. Every day, your nerves will become stronger and steadier, your mind calmer and clearer, more composed, more placid, more tranquil. You will become much less easily worried, much less easily agitated, much less easily fearful and apprehensive, much less easily upset. You will be able to think more clearly. You will be able to concentrate more easily. You will be able to give up your whole undivided attention to whatever you are doing, to the complete exclusion of everything else. Consequently, your memory will rapidly improve, and you will be able to see things in their true perspective without magnifying your difficulties, without ever allowing them to get out of proportion. Every day, you will become emotionally much calmer, much more settled, much easily less disturbed. Every day, you will become, and you will remain, more and more completely relaxed and less tense each day, both mentally and physically. And as you become, and as you remain, more relaxed and less tense each day, so you will develop a much more confident self-image